Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to print screen or take a snap of your desktop or any application that you're in. Um, so let's get straight into the video, guys. What I'm going to do is open up a Internet Explorer browser just to show you, and just to show you on the screen, I've opened up a keyboard. On your laptop keyboard or PC keyboard, you're going to have something looking like this. It's going to be looking like this. And on the right hand side, can you see here? Yeah, you've got something called PRTSCN. Sometimes at the top over here, yeah, along the top, something like that. But this is what's written on it. So what you want to do is press this. This is print screen. That's what it is, but it's been shortened. So if you click on that, it's going to print screen everything that's on the thing, on the screen, including the keyboard in this sense as well. So we click that. Can you hear that? On your keyboard, it might not make the noise, but when you press it on the keyboard on your laptop or PC, then it won't make the click sound, but it will do it. So what I'll do, just to show you, I'm going to open Paint and show you what screen it's taken or print screen it's taken. So I've opened the Paint here, and then I'm going to Control V to paste it. There you are. So this is the actual print screen of my desktop, an internet browser that I had open. Can you see? It's print screen the whole screen. Yeah. So you can do whatever you want with this. You can mess around with it. You can, do whatever, erase stuff off it. See. So you can do whatever you want on it. And then what you do is File, Save As, and then you just save it on the desktop. So I'm going to close this. There you are. There's the screen that I've saved. It's saved as a JPEG or a JPNG. There you are. That's the actual print screen. Can you see? So I hope you like this video, guys. I've showed you how to print screen your screen. And that's the way to do that. Please make sure you like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family. Also, make sure you comment down below on what else you want me to do. Anything that else you want me to do a video on, any of the problems that you have, please make sure you comment down below. Thanks, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.